welcome to the second video on the alternative method to solving disguised quadratic equations. So let's get on with the video. If I look at this equation, I will then realize that this is a quadratic, this is a quadratic in x to the power 1 over 3. This is a quadratic in x to the power 1 over 3. Why? Because I'm beginning with x to the power 1 over 3 and I'm ending with x to the power 2 over 3, which is the square of that. So if I apply my same concepts, ax squared plus bx plus c, my b is 2, my c is negative 8, and my a is 1. Okay? So what that means is, because this is a quadratic in x to the power 1 over 3, what that means is that x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Remember, the massive difference, the massive difference is, if this was a normal quadratic equation, I would say x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. But because this is a quadratic in x to the power 1 over 3, then I say x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to this. So my solution here is going to be x to the power 1 over 3. It's going to be x to the power 1 over 3. So applying this, x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root, okay, plus or minus the square root of b squared. Well, b squared is just this 2 squared here, which is going to be 4, okay, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 8. Okay, and then this entire thing here over 2, okay, over 2. So is equal to negative 4. And from there, it's quite simple. It's quite simple. X is equal to 2 cubed. X is equal to negative 4 cubed. Okay? So x is equal to 8 and x is equal to negative 64. And that's it. I am done. I am literally done. If I wanted to factorize this, instead, I know that my product is equal to negative 8 and my sum is equal to 2. So the numbers that I am interested in are 4 and negative 2. So 4 and negative 2. Why? Because 4 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 8. 4 plus negative 2 is 2. So when I factorize this, because this is a quadratic in x to the power 1 over 3, then I would come here and then say x to the power 1 over 3 plus 4. X to the power 1 over 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. And from there, it's quite simple, because then I would just say x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to negative 4, and x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 2. And then I solve it normally. So remember, the massive difference is, instead of just saying x plus 4, x minus 2 is equal to 0, because this is a quadratic in x to the power 1 over 3, I have to put that x to the power 1 over 3 there as well. And I would then solve this the normal way. So that brings me to the end of the last example on solving disguised quadratic equations using the alternative method. But like I said, if you don't understand this method and you don't really want to take any risks or chances using this method, watch the other videos and use the other easy method. But this is a bit quick and efficient if you want to get the job done very quickly. So this brings me to the end of the video, and until next time.